Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra won't send MMS messages. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, check your network connection. If you are getting good signals, then move to the next solution. But if you are not getting the good signals, then first of all fix your network connection. And after fixing your connection, the next solution is swipe down and turn on mobile data. Now after turning on mobile data, if you are facing the problem, then the next solution is try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on messages. Now in messages, scroll down and click on storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and then to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then click on reset mobile network settings. Now here again click on reset settings option here, and when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.